In the heart of a bustling city, there lived a vibrant Barbie named Emily. Emily was not just any Barbie. She was known far and wide for her boundless imagination and her love for adventure. Every day, Emily would explore the city streets, her eyes sparkling with curiosity. But her favorite place of all was the old carousel in the center of the city park. The carousel was no ordinary ride. It was rumored to be enchanted, with the power to whisk its riders away on magical journeys. One sunny afternoon, as Emily was admiring the carousel's ornate horses and twinkling lights, she noticed a shimmering glow emanating from one of the golden horses. Intrigued, she reached out to touch it, and in an instant, she found herself transported into a world of wonder and enchantment. The carousel had come to life, and Emily found herself riding through a magical realm filled with towering castles, sparkling rivers, and lush forests. As she rode, she met fantastical creatures, from graceful unicorns to mischievous fairies, who welcomed her with open arms. But amidst the beauty and wonder, Emily sensed a shadow looming. A wicked sorceress had cast a spell over the land, draining it of its magic and beauty. Determined to help, Emily embarked on a quest to find the source of the sorceress's power and restore magic to the realm. With the help of her newfound friends, Emily journeyed to the heart of the enchanted forest, where the sorceress resided in a towering fortress of darkness. Braving treacherous obstacles and facing fearsome creatures, Emily and her companions fought valiantly to break the sorceress's hold on the land. And in the end, it was Emily's courage, kindness, and unwavering belief in the power of magic that prevailed. With a burst of light, the sorceress's spell was broken, and the realm was bathed in the warm glow of restored magic. As Emily bid farewell to her newfound friends and returned to the city, she knew that she would never forget her magical adventure. And though the carousel stood silent once more, its magic lived on in her heart, filling her days with wonder and enchantment.